a couple days ago where it was so damn sunny, and it was really cool because, like I said, I've been tracking. I use an app for this whole system. My system is Schneider Electric, and there's other systems out there, but that's what we decided on, and we're happy with it. And it's got a great little app that you can see there. The yellow is the house. The center of the green is the inverter, which is converting the DC that's coming in from either the battery or the solar and converting that to AC. And there's about a 10, no, it's not a 10% loss. I've noticed that if I'm producing about a kilowatt coming into the inverter from the either DC, the batteries, or the solar, I'll get 9.